Why do some immigrants regret moving to the U.S., and how can you avoid being one of them? You dreamed of the U.S. for years, but now that you're here, things feel harder than you imagined. Why? Here are 3 reasons why. Number 1, you didn't have a clear game plan. Arriving in the U.S. is not the same as succeeding in the U.S. You need a goal. Are you coming here to study, work, start a business? You need a map. Otherwise, you're just wandering around with no direction. Number 2, you didn't have a budget. Without a budget, even your welcome money can disappear in a few weeks. Rent, food, transport, it all adds up quickly. And number 3, you stayed in your comfort bubble, only talking to people from your country. It might feel safe at first, but it'll keep you stuck. The American dream is possible, but you need a real action plan. Comment, Dream Smart, and I'll send you a free action plan template so you can start your journey the right way. Don't wait. Start today.